So I was asking Prince about that bottle there. Can I go in, please, man? Yeah, thank you. I was asking him about this, and this is like a dessert shop here. We're gonna go somewhere else, but for now we're gonna try this here.
कितने का है ये?
Open? I will pay for it. Let me multitask it.
अच्छा.
I don't know what's happening. They took it away from us. They're gonna give us a better one, is it? This is a better one.
खोल के दे दो. कितना हुआ इसका?
Thank you.
कितने का है?
So this is like the bottle, and Prince is telling me this is like almond
milk. Yeah.
almond milk. Holy crap, this is so good.
Almond or cream and
Amazing.
together.
There's so much
Some sugar.
almond in it. Milky, sweet.
You like it?
It is amazing. It's really, really good. It caught my eye and I was like, I gotta try it, man.
Oh my god, it's good.
It's really good. Oh my god. Delicious. Next. What's next?
Let's go.
Thank you. More madness, more chaos. I cannot not capture all this. So we're gonna try probably snack here for a bit.
Take away, we'll sit upstairs.
Let's go upstairs. Look at the colors on all that. Oh my god.
शाही टुकड़ा. रबड़ी मलाई.
I love it.
एक शाही टुकड़ा है. आप लोगों को मैंगो आइसक्रीम.
They give like ice cream. This is the juice that we tried earlier in the other place. Look at this here. Oh my god, the colors are crazy. There is so much going on.
एक शाही टुकड़ा भी दे दो.
Oh, I love it. So we're getting ice cream. We're getting like some different kind of small parts where we can try as much, right?
So it's basically a homemade mango ice cream.
Homemade mango ice cream. Oh my god.
Have it.
Are we going upstairs or not?
Yeah, we're going upstairs.
So I have it here. All right. Taste this. It's crazy. It's chaotic. I love it.
एक शाही टुकड़ा भेज दो.
Oh man, that actually tastes really good. You can taste the mango in it and the vanilla as well. Oh man, that is so good.